Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about TikTok and why I just bought a TikTok account with over 100,000 followers. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit the like button. Yeah, this one right here. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos about this one. I'll be making a series about TikTok, showing you how to gain followers, how to create content, and show you how to make money on TikTok. TikTok is a brand new social platform that allows people to create small little clips to make money and to get followers. It is brand new. It is one of the biggest opportunities, in my opinion, in 2020. This is a great way to create a following, to create a niche, and to grow a business, to make money off of social media. I know a lot of people make money on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, but all of those platforms have a ton of competition and have a ton of people making money on them. I'm not telling you to stop using these other platforms. I'm just telling you, get on TikTok, because TikTok is going to be the next big thing. It is way easier to build a following on TikTok, to get fans, to get famous, than it is on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, all those other apps. So in my opinion, this is one of the best opportunities of 2020 where you can grow a following and potentially turn your TikTok account into a business where you can use the money to retire and live the life of your dreams. But you have to get in at the very bottom. Right now, TikTok is still growing and is providing the ultimate opportunity of 2020. Now let's get into the reasons why I just bought a 100,000 follower TikTok account. If you want to follow me on TikTok, here's my hashtag. It's at @SanadBYW. So just type that in, follow me on TikTok, follow the journey. Alright, so my goal with this TikTok account is to take it from 100,000 followers to 1 million followers, and to start using this account to start making money. Alright, so here are a couple reasons why I just bought this TikTok account. Reason number one why I bought a TikTok account with 100,000 followers is the price. I only paid $500 for this account. I know $500 seems like a lot of money, but if you look at the overall benefits that you are getting, it is unbelievable. You're getting a following of 100,000 people, all real. But if I started from zero and grew my account to 100,000 followers, I would have had to invest a ton of time, a ton of energy, and make a ton of TikToks in order to get 100,000 followers. And for $500, I automatically got over 100,000 followers that are well established, and I do not have to invest a ton of time, a ton of energy to grow it to this point. Now, reason number two, the content is already on the account. The person that I bought the account from, if you follow me on TikTok, you'll be able to see all his previous videos, which I will not delete until I establish my new brand on the channel, because all of these videos are still generating views, are still generating likes. But once I start growing this TikTok account, I will slowly start erasing these videos, and I will start establishing my own brand on this TikTok account. So $500 got me 100,000 followers and a ton of videos, a ton of TikToks on the account. Reason number three why I bought this account is the potential that TikTok offers. Right now, TikTok is still brand new, still growing, and the earlier you get in, the earlier you start building your following, building your influence, the better. This means you'll be one step ahead when TikTok offers their monetization program, when they start paying creators. You'll be ahead and you'll be able to start making money. So the earlier you get in, the better. This was the same for YouTube, Snapchat, Instagram. The people that got in early, they got a ton of followers, and they were the first ones to establish their base and establish their following. And then when the masses came in, they were the ones that made the most money, most profit off of their accounts, simply because they got in early and they established their following. And the final reason why I bought this account, I want to see if I'm able to grow this account from 100,000 followers to 1 million followers. That is my goal with this account. And I want to create videos like this one where I share my ideas on TikTok, where I show you how to grow your following, show you what hashtags I'm using, show you what kind of TikToks I'm making, to help you grow your account. I want everybody to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on TikTok, because on both accounts, I'll be giving you tips on how to grow your following and how to eventually start making money with TikTok. So if you're interested in any of those things, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right, everybody, that is why I just bought a 100,000 follower TikTok account for $500. All right, if you're interested in buying a TikTok account, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be making another video on the safest ways to buy TikTok's account and why you should buy one. You do not want to be scammed. You do not want people take advantage of you and take your money, and then in return, you do not get a TikTok account. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will show you exactly how to buy a TikTok account. And as always, if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. And if you have any tips, comments, questions about TikTok, comment section. I'll be answering all your questions. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.